What do robots and smart cities and the future factory have in common? The integrated circuit. ICs can run all these systems and the networks that connect these systems. They are at the heart of digitalization, and ICs are getting smarter with integrated artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is why we're innovating new electronic design automation solutions and creating a closed-loop data flow all the way from design to manufacturing, helping engineers build a smarter future faster. Siemens EDA, part of the Siemens Accelerator portfolio, where electronic innovation meets tomorrow.